ready to do our stockings. So we're going to take some green. Knead this up a little bit. And roll this out. Use the same cutter that we used for our cookie. We'll do 2 green and we'll do 1 red one. The red one will go in the middle. Little water on the back. And this is just with the fun. It's so much quicker than the royal icing. Okay, so I've got 2 green and just 1 red. Okay, so that's how those are going to go on like that. And the next step, this is a green royal icing tip number 352, which is a leaf tip. And what I want to do is just make a little bit of garland on the fireplace. So I want them to be like little leaves, so we're going to do 3 little loopings here. So we're going to go from here to about there, and then to the edge here. So you just squeeze, do little leaf shapes. And then I like to just go back over it and fill in. And then we can take the red royal icing tip number 2 and just do some little berries in there. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and attach our stockings. This is where we need to be careful because we don't want them to fall. So I use the white royal icing here and put a little here. Okay, we want to just hold this there for a second. Okay, now we can go ahead and go back and add some more of this green. If you can't see enough of it. So we covered a lot of it up. Okay, then we'll take the white royal icing and do the tops of the stockings. Okay, now what we want to do is the fire. So on these right here, we'll still take some more of the brown food color, watered down quite a bit, so there's hardly any brown left in here, which will be perfect. So just take some of this and just paint it. If you have an airbrush, you could go ahead and airbrush these instead of painting it. But if you don't have an airbrush, then this is what you'll do.